Welcome into Ruggs Benedict here in Avon, Colorado. We're joined by Mandy Benedict. Mandy, how are we doing?
Amazing this morning.
Love it. Today we're talking about carpets, and I understand there's over 120 you can pick from here and so much more, but tell us about the carpets here at Ruggs Benedict.
Yeah, so we have actually over 120 in stock in our gypsum warehouse. So a lot of things to choose from, but so you can have, what we love, instant gratification of things that we can install very quickly. And then we have thousands and thousands of options of things that we can special order.
Love that. And this isn't just for homes, this is for businesses, all sorts of buildings that need carpet.
Yes, we do hospitality. We just are in the middle of a huge hotel project right now. We do office buildings, restaurants, and a ton of the beautiful homes around here.
Love that. And what's important or what's a benefit of having carpet?
Carpet is very soft. It also is great for sound abatement. It absorbs a lot of sound. And it's beautiful, soft. Sometimes it's nice to crawl out of bed and step into some soft, cozy carpet. It's great for the kids to play on, wrestle, all those sorts of things.
Yeah, and some amazing design here. I want to show real quick because you can look back and you have all the other designs here to choose from this style. And then there's also a QR code where you can import a photo of your own room and check out what the carpet would look like in your home. Is that right?
Yeah, the room visualizer is a pretty cool key technology.
I love that. I love that. All right, let's check out some more over here. But as we're going through the carpets here, the installation process is very important too, right? And especially living where we live. But can you talk a little bit about the process of installing carpet?
Yes. So our employee installers, they all work for us. We don't subcontract out any work, and we have a lifetime installation warranty. So your seams are guaranteed, and they're just really, really amazing at installing things, installing the carpets in any home. We do a lot of really decorative staircases, rounded staircases. They're master craftsmen. So our installers are I think one of the most important things about the carpet that we provide is their incredible workmanship.
Yeah, and definitely experts in the field, and that's important too because we're expecting this to last, right, and look beautiful. So it's important to have the right installation, right?
Definitely.
And what else should people know about buying carpet?
Just come in and have fun, explore. Our team is amazing. As I hear people leave the store every day, they're like, wow, that was so easy. That was really easy. I was expecting this to be hard. Our team is really skilled at finding the things that work for your budget, the things that work for your space, your use, the design, color, and style to create a dream home or finish a commercial space in a really amazing way.
Awesome. Anything else I should ask you? Anything else people should know?
No, just come in and explore the store. It's a fun place to be.
It's a beautiful place here at Ruggs Benedict in Avon, Colorado. More than carpets, it's got everything you need, so come check out Ruggs Benedict.